Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you two simple but elegant spring home decor DIYs using inexpensive items like these flower-shaped wooden decor pieces that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. Now let's get started. I'm starting off with this 16-inch round mirror that I picked up from my local craft store. I traced the mirror on a piece of 1/2-inch thick foam board that I already had at home. I sanded the edges of my foam board with a Dollar Tree sanding block before adding inexpensive ribbon that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Next, I added Dollar Tree floral foam and spring and fall florals to the design as well. To stick with my color scheme, I'm using a combination of spring and fall florals. To enhance the design, I've decided to also add faux pampas grass. Once I covered the remaining floral foam with my faux flowers, I then added a bit more of the ribbon to add just a bit more sparkle. To attach the ribbon, this time I'm using double-sided tape. I used large Velcro command strips to hang my design, and here's the finished look. For idea number 2, I'm using 8 of these Dollar Tree wooden decor pieces. I'm also using 2 of these 12-inch wooden circles, also from Dollar Tree. I'm marking the center of the circle. I then use generous amounts of hot glue to attach 4 of the flower-shaped wooden pieces. I then added my 4 remaining pieces. I couldn't find 4 of the second design, so I'll have to use another of the first design, and I hope it won't be very noticeable. Here, I'm marking where the wooden pieces will connect, and I'll only add hot glue to those areas. Now that my 8 flower-shaped wooden pieces are in place, I'm adding my second 12-inch circle on top. Next, I painted my design with black paint that I already had at home. I'll be using the black paint as a primer. I then added 2 coats of gold metallic spray paint. Adding the black paint to the wood first will give me a better gold metallic finish. Once my paint was completely dry, I added 2 super thin coats of polyurethane. I use this to seal most, if not all, of my wooden projects. I used a strong adhesive to attach a 10-inch craft mirror before adding Dollar Tree gemstone stickers. Both designs are super lightweight, so I'm again hanging my mirror with large Velcro command strips. I really love how both unique designs turned out. I think they're beautiful, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.